Cap. I'm like, yeah, man. Longbeard,
Yeah, I
what's up
don't.
with it, my bro?
What's up? What's
Yeah, you
up?
know, we ain't doing nothing chilling, man. Hanging with the homies. We just chilling, shooting the shit bars. Yeah, what's up with it, my bro? You already know we ain't doing nothing. Being real. You
45.
hearing that what we doing? Man, that boy got that much screaming over there. Yeah, appreciate y'all. We got that much screaming.
Yeah, let me show
Yeah.
you this.
Let me see what you reckon with.
Look at this.
Huh? Yeah, okay. Oh, I like that old
45
wood
coat.
on it too. That mother clean. Yeah, get my Joe Wayne on.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
That baby's nice too. I like that wood on it, man. Ooh, that one more the black. You make that mother pop.
Yeah, it says Brazilian hardwood.
Ooh, that mother is nice. No cap, man. Yeah, I want me some, you know what I'm talking about. And then you know they got this other little 22 made like a pump. You put the 22 shells in the front of it, and then you just cock it. Hey, what's up with that, my bro? You already know. You know what we do. We chill with the bros, boy. Yeah, we got our bro Carson, the man, the boss, the boy getting them cho-chos. Yeah, no cap, man. The bros is
What's
doing
going
it,
on,
man.
man?
Yeah, man. Shoot. Yeah, boy got that set. He got that circle.
Yeah,
Yeah,
that's
yeah, got
staccato.
yeah, Staccato. I don't know why I keep calling
Yes,
that shit.
sir.
God damn. Yeah, that one is
Yeah,
clean, man. No cap,
too
bro.
expensive for my blood.
He okay. They been on sale lately though. I wasn't here now. I was gonna say something, but now I forgot. Yeah. Because I was gonna say that pro was a nice one too.
Nowhere near that. Nowhere near that.
No, no, boy. Hey, even with the upgrade you did on it, huh?
Right. Nowhere near. Mm-mm.
Yeah, my bro.
Yes, man.
Hey,
What you been up to, man?
yeah, he collecting like a motherfucker now. You hear me? Yeah. Better slow down
That's
before they
good.
flag your ass.
He said he got to get that thing back though.
Huh?
He said he got to get that one back to him.
Oh, well, shoot. He really out there too. You know, he out there in the desert. So, man, watch it. They got a nice little gun area. Shit, you get to shoot in the mountains and shit. I
Yeah, the
like
desert
that.
would be nice.
He said, I like that. That look clean. You ain't gotta worry about nobody telling you, you know, talking about what to do and shit.
True.
Yeah, you ain't gotta worry about nobody telling you, hey, you can't rapid fire and shit. Appreciate the thumbs up. Come on now, everybody hit that thumbs up. Y'all forgot.
What we forgot?
Bars. Y'all forgot to hit the thumbs up and call the police. Bars.
You gonna call them people?
We the best YouTube family, y'all no cap. Yeah. We ain't playing no game. The bro, we grilling and chilling. Yeah, 2-way grilling up some burgers.
Already. Oh,
Okay.
burgers. Come on.
Uh-huh. That's why
Forgot all
I
about
tried
the
to
burgers.
remind you. That's why I had to remind you. Yeah, yeah. It still look nice outside. For real.
Yeah, man. I was trying to put a little charge on my phone.
Already. Man, they too
Burgers
strict,
coming out.
bro.
I need
Hey.
to wipe them, put some on there.
Ooh.